Welcome to PrimePic's Lab. The best Toto Fill Valve is probably one of the most overlooked components in your bathroom, but it plays a crucial role in your toilet's performance. If your toilet is constantly running, filling slowly, or making strange noises, it might be time to replace the fill valve. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing a Toto Fill Valve, ensuring your toilet functions efficiently and saves you money on your water bill. Number 5. Toto TSU99A.X Universal Fill Valve Assembly. Introducing the Toto TSU99A.X, a universal fill valve assembly designed for all Toto toilet tanks. It's engineered to fit seamlessly, ensuring a perfect match for your existing setup. This valve is the ideal solution for optimal performance. This fill valve features an adjustable height, making it compatible with various Toto toilet tank models. You can easily customize it to fit your specific tank, ensuring a proper fit and function. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. Is your toilet not flushing as efficiently as it used to? This valve assembly will reset your tank back to its optimal performance. It ensures a strong and complete flush every time, saving water and improving efficiency. The kit includes everything you need for installation: the valve itself, a refill tube and clamp, a cone washer, and a nut. It's a comprehensive package, so you won't need to purchase any additional parts. Everything is included for a straightforward installation. Featuring a standard 7/8-inch inlet connection, this valve is compatible with most standard water supply lines. This makes the installation process simple and hassle-free. You can easily connect it to your existing water supply. You don't need to be a plumbing expert to install this. The design allows for easy, do-it-yourself installation. With simple tools and clear instructions, you can have it up and running in no time. What we like. This fill valve is designed with adjustable height, making it compatible with all Toto toilet tanks. It's also super easy to install, perfect for a quick DIY project. If you are looking for a hassle-free replacement that fits any Toto toilet, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect fit for Toto model, ST703 toilet. Installation was easy and did not take long. Best of all, this flush valve is made in the USA. There are 2 settings on this valve that allow it to replace 4 previous models. The height of the valve, controlling flush volume, and the bowl fill. The instructions have a quick grid to look up the settings per your toilet's model. For mine it was a height of 4, and a fill of 4. I popped the height up to number 4. Removed the old valve, installed this one. Replaced the fill hose and clip with the one in the box, might need to trim yours, and adjusted the bowl fill height to number 4 with the gauge that was provided in the parts bag. Number 4. Korky 528T Replacement Toilet Fill Valve. Is your toilet running or refilling slowly? This Korky fill valve is designed to replace the G-Max and Power Gravity toilets. It's quieter than other fill valves and easy to adjust. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your old fill valve and insert this new one. The twist lock adjustment makes it easy to fit. It adjusts from 7 to 3/4 to 13 to 1/2 inches. The universal fill valve set includes everything you need. You'll get the fill valve, refill tube, metal refill tube clip, mounting nut, cone washer, coupling nut, tamper-proof key, and instructions. Korky products are designed to be universal and fit both older and modern toilet models. These repair parts are easy to install and made from long-lasting Chlorozone red rubber. Korky is committed to designing toilet repair parts that fit the majority of toilets. This valve is designed and manufactured in Wisconsin, ensuring quality and reliability. What we like. This Korky fill valve is designed specifically for G-Max and Power Gravity Toto toilets and operates much quieter than other fill valves. It features an innovative twist lock adjustment for easy installation. If you are tired of noisy toilets and want a simple, effective solution, this is a great choice. What people say. This valve shuts off with no water hammer or definitive noise. The water just stops flowing. I like that. I also like the relatively quiet rush of water when it is filling. I also like the fact that when the internal diaphragm that controls the water flow wears out in about 5 years, you easily can purchase the replacement diaphragm cap for a couple of dollars locally or on Amazon, and just swap that out without having to buy a whole new valve. This valve is an exact replacement for the valve in my Toto toilet. Installation was very easy and all of the parts fit exactly with no adjustments, even the length of the hose. No tools are required for installation and the instructions are very clear. It works very well and I would recommend this valve for anyone having a Toto toilet with a fill valve that isn't working properly. A simple installation, plus it runs very quietly while refilling. Number 3. Toto THU302 Replacement Cap for Dual Max Fill Valve. This is a replacement cap specifically designed for the Toto brand. It ensures your toilet functions correctly, maintaining the high standards you expect. The cap is easy to install, making it a convenient solution for repairs. It's a direct replacement, so you can quickly restore the functionality of your toilet. This cap is made for the Dual Max Fill Valve. It's a crucial component for the proper operation of your toilet's filling system. Made with quality materials, this replacement cap offers durability and reliability. It's built to last, providing you with long-term performance. By using this replacement cap, you can ensure your toilet continues to operate efficiently. It helps maintain the water-saving features and overall performance. What we like. This is a replacement cap specifically designed for Dual Max Fill valves. It's a genuine Toto part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. If you have a Dual Max Fill valve and need a reliable replacement cap, this is the ideal solution. What people say. This cap was exactly what I needed to fix my Toto toilet's fill valve. It was super easy to install, just pop the old one off and this one on, and the leak was gone. Much cheaper than replacing the whole valve. If your Dual Max toilet is constantly running or not filling properly, this little part might be all you need. When it arrived, I removed my temporary fix and fastened this on in a jiffy. Problem fixed. If I had not taken cap off to check the fill cap gasket, I might have purchased a complete replacement valve. The expense is not so great for a complete replacement valve, but the hassle of installing a completely new fill valve is a real pain. This took all of 2 minutes and I barely got my fingers wet and didn't have to use any tools. This Toto part solved the problem, which was that the water continued to trickle into the tank due to the old part no longer making a proper seal to stop the water flow. Number 2. Toto Universal Flapper and Fill Valve Combo Kit. Introducing the Toto Combo Kit, a universal solution for your toilet repair needs. This kit includes a flapper and fill valve, designed to restore your toilet's functionality. The kit features a universal flapper, a direct replacement for the THU499S model. It ensures a proper seal, preventing leaks and optimizing water usage. This is a genuine Toto part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. You can trust it to provide reliable performance and long-lasting durability. The fill valve offers adjustable height, allowing for customization to fit various toilet models. This feature ensures a perfect fit and efficient operation. The fill valve also provides an adjustable flow rate. This allows you to fine-tune the water flow, optimizing the toilet's performance and saving water. What we like. This combo kit includes a universal flapper and fill valve, both designed as genuine Toto repair parts. It features adjustable height and flow rate for optimal performance. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution to upgrade your toilet's performance, consider this combo kit. What people say. The fill valve was a perfect fit and easy to install. The product works great and fixed the running toilet issue. This fill valve is a direct replacement for the original Toto fill valve. Number 1. Toto THU123 Replacement Valve Cap Assy. This is a genuine part from Toto. It's designed to ensure your toilet functions properly and efficiently. This replacement valve cap assembly is specifically designed for models with a black float chamber. It's a perfect fit for your toilet. The valve cap comes with a diaphragm. It helps to control the water flow and prevent leaks, ensuring optimal performance. Installing this part is easy. It will restore your toilet's functionality quickly and efficiently. With this replacement, you can expect reliable performance. It will help to keep your toilet running smoothly. What we like. This replacement valve cap assembly is a genuine Toto part, ensuring quality and compatibility. It's specifically designed for all models with a black float chamber. If you have a Toto toilet with a black float chamber and need a reliable replacement, it is the perfect fit. What people say. Easy to install and fix the problem even though it looked different than the original one. It is working as good as new and saved me some money, and more importantly time. Replaced this seal in literally 5 minutes and likely saved a couple $100 versus calling a plumber. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.